sister narrating her story, she said, my husband was taken to jail because he made a check with insufficient funds. And we were in a dire need of everything. I live, me, my father, and my daughter in that apartment. And that specific night, things were so tough that we did not even have food to eat. My daughter is starving, my father is very hungry, but we are trying to be patient, and hopefully in the morning we will find something. Right at midnight, my daughter got 100 and something fever. Her head was boiling. I cannot afford a doctor, I cannot afford a hospital, I cannot even afford to go to the hospital in a taxi. So I started wearing some cloth and put it on her forehead in order to calm her down. And then I go and I pray 2 rak'ah and I beg Allah, Ya Rabb, Ya Allah, you are the Shafi. Ya Allah, you are the one who said, أَمَّن يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ. Ya Allah, you are the one who said, who will answer other than me? I'm the only one who answers the muttar, the one in need when he asks me. Ya Allah, Ya Allah. I kept on going back and forth, 2 rak'ahs with dua, and then I put the water on her head. And I kept on begging Allah, Ya Allah, we have no one other than you. Ya Allah, Ya Allah. At 2 a.m., the door knocked. The father opened the door. He saw a man. And the man asked, where's the girl? He said, who are you? I said, I'm the doctor. Where's the girl? She said, I looked at my father and we looked at each other. The doctor came, checked on the girl, prescribed the medicine, gave him the prescription, and then said, 100 dinar. She said, what? We don't have any money. He said, how dare you call me in the middle of the night and you don't have any money? She said, nobody called you. We don't even have a phone. Are you kidding me? You made me leave the house and now you tell me you have no money? Isn't this the house of so-and-so? She said, no, it is next door. He went next door. Subhanallah, there was a little girl that was sick and the people called. He took care of that girl and he came back. He said, I don't know what you did. I don't know what you asked. I don't know what dua you made, but all I know is that no one, the only one who made me leave the house is Allah Azza wa Jal to serve you. To make a mistake, knock at the wrong door. Because of your dua, Allah Azza wa Jal subjugated the articles on earth to serve you. This is the trust we need when we are making dua. What happens when we make dua? We make dua and we say, let's give it a shot. Let's see if it works. Anytime you try a dua, it's not going to work. I'm telling you from now, it's not going to work. Allah cannot be tried. You try me, I try you, yeah. But Allah Azza wa Jal, with yaqeen, with certainty I'm asking. I am asking the one who named himself Al-Mujib, the one who answers. فَعَالٌ لِمَا يُرِيد. He can do anything. This is the way we're supposed to ask, ya akhwan. Complete trust in Allah Azza wa Jal that He can. 2 questions. Remember the 2 questions I reminded you long time ago? 2 questions. Whenever you're going through any difficulty, 2 questions. Does Allah know about my issue, what I'm going through? And the answer is absolutely yes. Second question, can He solve it? And the answer is absolutely yes. So, beg. Beg. Sincerely. Fulfill your duties and beg. And keep in mind that Allah said in the Hadith al-Qudsi, subhanallah, a hadith, a statement that gives you so much confidence. Allah said, if the first of you and the last of you the human of you, and the jinn of you all stood in one land, and they all asked for things that they need, all of you. And if I give every single one of them whatever they requested, that will not decrease my bounty, just like a needle decrease the water in an ocean if you dip it.